Does the holiday season leave you feeling drained instead of delighted? Here's how to transform all that stress into inner peace with just a few simple holistic practices that can help you feeling calm, present, and recharged during the busiest time of the year. Hi, I'm Banatia from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for wellness entrepreneurs. If that's you, continue watching. Did you know the holiday season is one of the top contributors to burnout? Even for wellness entrepreneurs like us. The irony, right? We're supposed to be all about balance and energy healing. Yet this time of year often feels anything but balanced. The good news is holiday stress isn't your fault. It's a natural response to the pressure of expectations, overpacked schedules, and constant comparison on social media. But what if you can reset your energy in just a few minutes, no matter how hectic your day is? One of my go-to practices is Reiki, of course. Reiki is all about balancing energy and letting go of what no longer serves you. Here's a quick practice you can try. Step 1. Find a quiet place and place your hand on your heart. Close your eyes. Step 2. Take a deep breath and visualize golden light flowing into your heart and melting away all the stresses. Step 3. Hold this position for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing on the phrase, I am calm, I am at peace. Do you feel that subtle shift? It's like hitting the reset button for your mind and body. Imagine starting each day like this, completely aligned and ready for anything. Did you know you can melt away stresses under 2 minutes? Just by tapping on specific points on your body. No tools, no fancy equipment, just your hands. This is called Emotional Freedom Technique, or EFT tapping. It's a way to release stored emotions by tapping on energy points. The first step, start by acknowledging your stress. Even though I feel overwhelmed, I deeply and completely accept myself. Step 2, tap gently on the following points: the eyebrow, side of your eye, under your eye, and on your collarbone. Step 3, end with a deep breath and say, I release the tension and welcome the calm. I love this practice because it's quick, effective, and portable. Do it before family gathering, in the car before shopping, and anytime you feel tension rising. Do you know the way you think about stress is what's keeping you stuck? With neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, you can reframe those thoughts and instantly feel better. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Identify what's stressing you. For example, I'll never get everything done. Sounds familiar? Step 2. Reframe it, or say it in another way. I can focus on one thing at a time, or making progress is better than perfection. This tiny mindset shift can make all the difference. The more you practice it, the easier it becomes to see the positives in every situation. Want to feel grounded no matter how chaotic life gets? These tips will help you create calm in just a few minutes a day. Light a candle and say an affirmation like, I choose joy and peace today. Schedule breaks. Step outside, take a break, take a deep breath, and reconnect with nature. Simplify your to-do list. I'm guilty of this one. Like a whole long list. Prioritize what's essential and let go of perfectionism. Peace begins with a single intentional breath. Feeling lighter already? I'm glad. Imagine carrying this peace with you throughout the holidays and beyond. These practices are just the beginning of what's possible when you take charge of your energy. Let's make this holiday season your most peaceful yet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share this video with someone who could use a little extra calm this season. Remember, peace starts with you. Until next time, keep shining bright, and I'll see you in the next video.